In normality, we write number of gram equivalent of the solute. Today, we explain equivalent weight. Then, we explain gram equivalent. Equivalent weight of acid we explain. We write equivalent weight of acids. E denoted equivalent weight. Here we write acid. This indicate equivalent weight of acid. Here we write molar mass of the acid upon we write basicity. Basicity indicates number of displacement hydrogen ions in the acid. So we write question. Calculate the equivalent weight of acids. We write calculate the equivalent weight of acid. First of all, we calculate equivalent weight of H2SO4. First of all, we calculate molar mass of H2SO4. We write molar mass of H2SO4. In H2SO4, 2 hydrogen atom. Atomic weight of hydrogen is 1. We multiply 1 and 2, we get 2. In H2SO4, 1 sulfur atom. Atomic weight of sulfur is 32. We multiply 32 and 1, we get 32. In H2SO4, 4 oxygen atom. Atomic weight of oxygen is 16. We multiply 16 and 4, we get 64. Add the value, we get 98 gram mole inverse. In H2SO4, number of H plus ion is equal to 2. Therefore, basicity of H2SO4 is 1. Basicity of H2SO4 is 2. We ask 1, but here we write 2. Equivalent weight is equal to what? We write formula. E denote equivalent weight. We write acid indicate equivalent weight of acid. M indicate molar mass or molecular mass. acid indicate molecular mass of acid. Here we write basicity. Here we write E H2SO4, which indicate equivalent weight of H2SO4. Here we write value of molar mass of H2SO4. It is 98. Basicity of H2SO4 is 2. Here we write 2. We divide 98 by 2, we get 49. Therefore, equivalent weight of H2SO4 is 49. We write HW HNO3. HNO3 is nitric acid. In HNO3, one hydrogen ion present. Therefore, its basicity is 1. We divide molecular mass of HNO3 by 1, we get atomic weight of HNO3. We write HCl. HCl is hydrochloric acid. In HCl, one hydrogen atom present. It is called basicity of HCl. Therefore, basicity of HCl is 1. We divide 1. H2CO3, it is carbonic acid. In carbonic acid, basicity is 2. We write 5 acid is CH3COOH. It is called acetic acid. We write molar mass of CH3COOH is equal to, in acetic acid, number of carbon atom 2. We multiply 2 and 12, we get 24. In acetic acid, number of hydrogen atom 4. Atomic weight of hydrogen is 1. We multiply 1 and 4, we get 4. In acetic acid, number of oxygen atom 2. Atomic weight of oxygen is 16. We multiply 16 and 2. We get 32. We add and we get 60 gram mole inverse. Here we write basicity of CH3COOH. CH3, when CH3COOH ionize and give CH3COO negative charge and H plus positive charge. In acetic acid, one hydrogen ion is present. Therefore, basicity of acetic acid is 1. Here we write equivalent weight of CH3COOH is equal to what? We write formula E acid is equal to M acid upon basicity. Here we write E CH3COOH. Here we write molar mass of acetic acid 60, basicity is 1, we get 60. Now we write AHW, it is formic acid. In formic acid, one hydrogen ion is present, therefore basicity of formic acid is 1. Here we write H3PO3. It is called phosphorus acid. It is very important. It is asked in Bihar Board examination in objective question. We write molar mass of H3PO3 is equal to number of hydrogen atom 3, atomic weight of hydrogen is 1, we multiply 1 and 3, we get 3. In H3PO3 number of phosphorus atom 1, atomic weight of phosphorus is 31, we multiply 31 and 1, we get 31. In H3PO3 number of oxygen atom 3, atomic weight of oxygen is 16, we multiply 16 and 3, we get 48. We add and we get 82 gram mole inverse. Basicity of H3PO3 is equal to 2. Equivalent weight of H3PO3 is what? We write formula E acid is equal to M acid upon basicity. Here we write H3PO3 82 and 2, we get 41. Now we explain basicity of HNO3 is 2. It is very important. In H3PO3 number of phosphorus atom is 1. It is central atom. Here we write P. In H3PO3 number of oxygen atom 3. Here we write double bond O and 2 oxygen connected by phosphorus by single bond. In HPO3 number of hydrogen atom 3, here we write 1, 1 and 1. Therefore its basicity is 2. Here we write 1 hydrogen atom is direct connected by phosphorus atom, therefore it is not ionized. In H3PO3 only 2 atoms converted into H plus ion, therefore H3PO3 therefore basicity of H3PO3 is equal to 2. Here we write H3PO4. Molar mass of H3PO4 is equal to 3, 31, 64. We get 4, 1, 5 and 3, 8, 6 and 3 add, we get 9. Basicity of H3PO4 is 3. H3PO4 is equal to what? We write formula E acid is equal to M acid upon basicity. EH3PO4 is equal to 98 upon 3. We show a figure for H3PO4. We indicate basicity of H3PO4 is equal to 3. In H3PO4, central atom is P. In H3PO4, number of oxygen atom for one oxygen atom is connected by double bond with phosphorus. 3 oxygen atoms are connected by single bond with phosphorus. In H3PO4, number of hydrogen atom 3. One hydrogen atom add this oxygen and this oxygen and this oxygen. In H3PO4, 3 hydrogen atoms are present which ionize in hydrogen ion. Therefore, basicity of H3PO4 is equal to 3. Now we divide it is equivalent weight of phosphoric acid. It is called phosphoric acid and it is called phosphorus acid. These are very important for Bihar board in objective question. Now we write 9. Question is oxalic acid. It is HW. In oxalic acid, 2 hydrogen ions are present. Therefore, basicity of oxalic acid is 2. We divide 2 in molecular mass.